Assalamu alaikum everyone. A very good evening to all of you. Today I'm really glad to as I have got an opportunity to tell something about my best friend Amy. Amy and I are sharing a very good friendship for the last 2 years. Amy and I met each other 2 years ago at an orientation program of Jagannath University. There we were from same group. That's why we could start a good conversation there. And I was very much nervous about my university life, so I was just finding a student with whom I can share my anxieties, I can share my emotions. So there I found Amy. So I'm really glad to having Amy as my best friend. She's not only my batchmate, she was one of my closest friends, and she is the most supportive. She's the most supportive person in my life. I'm really grateful to her that she always supports me in my difficult times. When I'm feeling down, she is there to help me. She is always there to listen my emotions, my thoughts, always. So Amy and I were having this friendship for the last 2 years. She is a really a good student too, and she is also a good human being. I really appreciate her for being such a good. She has always a smiling face, which always inspire me to be positive. She is a character of positive attitudes, and I always learn many things from her. Her influence in my life is undoubtedly inseparable, and I think that she will remain such a good friend to me always. And may Allah bless her with all kinds of happiness. And I'm really lucky and alhamdulillah that I have got such a friend like Amy. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice life.